how to turn off Talkback on Android. So now go ahead and launch the Settings application. So to open the Settings application, you might want to tap to highlight and then double tap to open. And then scroll down until you find Accessibility. So to scroll down, use two fingers and then highlight by tapping and then double tap to open. Now you will see these options. The second option, which is the talkback, tap to highlight and then double tap to open. So if you've enabled this feature, you will see an on text below talkback. So to disable, just tap on the slider button beside it, which will now indicate off. And that is how you turn off Talkback on Android. Thank you and have a great day.